Hello children, welcome to SST class. Children, today we'll discuss about chapter 11, that is the clothes we wear. Children, you know we wear different type of clothes according to the seasons, according to the occasions. Okay, let's see. Our country has many states. You will notice that people of different states in India dress differently. The clothes people wear depends on the climate of the place they live in. It also depends on the customs and culture of the people living there. Certain clothes such as saris, trousers, and skirts are commonly worn by women. The sari is worn differently in different states. The salwar kameez with dupatta in Punjab, ghagra choli in Uttar Pradesh, lehenga choli in Gujarat, and mundu blouse in Kerala are common traditional clothes worn by the people. So children, different places have different traditional clothes. In cities, men usually wear trousers and shirts. Men also wear kurtas with pajama, churidars, dhotis and lungis. In Tamil Nadu, the lungi is called vasti, while in Kerala it is called mundu. In some states, the men cover their heads with turbans or caps. The style of tying a turban is different in each state. We also wear clothes according to the season. In the winter season, people use sweaters, pullovers, shawls, and blankets. In Kashmir, the men and women wear a long loose woolen coat called firan. This protects them from the cold. In summer, cotton clothes are common. Here children, you see in this figure, turbans worn by men. Special caps are known as turbans. Do you know there are tribes that live in certain parts of our country? They wear clothes according to their customs. Try if you can find a picture of the famous Nagaland shawl. Okay, these are the figure of Nagas of Nagaland. The people of Nagaland are known as Nagas. Okay. At weddings and parties, we might have seen people wearing grand clothes. On such occasions, silk saris, suits, sherwanis and ties made of silk are commonly worn. Women wear jewelry made of gold or silver. The clothes we wear may be different, but we all belong to one country. So here one thing, children, you keep in your mind. Maybe we wear different types of dresses. Maybe we stay in different places, but we all are belongs to one country. Okay. So this is about your chapter 11. Here some keywords are given. Okay, you read. Thank you.